In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you would like to set a picture that you took of yourself or of something in your gallery, tap on your gallery and then you want to select the image you want to set as your wallpaper. So I'll select an image. Then you can see at the bottom right hand corner, there are 3 vertical dots. Tap on those 3 dots and then over here it says set as wallpaper. Tap on that and a couple of options will appear. You can set it as your home screen, your lock screen, and lock screen, always on display, and call background. So what I'm going to do is select home screen and it'll show you a picture preview of what it's going to look like. So then below that you want to tap on set on home screen or whatever setting you chose. And if I go back, you can now see that my background has been changed. But if for any reason you don't want to set an image from your gallery as your home screen or your lock screen, what you need to do is go onto any blank space on your home page and then hold down on it. And then over here it says wallpapers. You want to tap on that. Then if you would like to set some pre-made wallpapers as your lock screen or your home screen, tap below the previews there where it says my wallpapers and you can choose between a whole bunch of wallpapers that you would like to set. So I'll select this one right here and then I'll select home screen once again and it'll give me a preview. Basically this is what I had before, so I'll set on home screen and if I go back you can see it's now been changed. So that is how you change your wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.